Hey everyone, welcome to one of our Bob's Watches tutorial videos. Today we're going over how to set your Rolex Explorer. Launched in 1953 to celebrate mankind's successful summit of Mount Everest, the Rolex Explorer holds the distinction of being the company's first ever sports watch, and it's become emblematic of Rolex's pioneering spirit. The defining feature of the Rolex Explorer is its iconic black dial that features oversized Arabic numerals at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock locations. When used in conjunction with its three luminous hands, the Rolex Explorer's highly legible dial permits at-a-glance access to the time, while its waterproof Oyster case and self-winding movement guarantee accurate and reliable performance even in the most demanding conditions. To set your Rolex Explorer, simply unscrew the winding crown and pull it out until you feel a faint click. Then rotate the crown in either direction until the correct time is displayed by the hands. Once the time has been set, push in the winding crown and screw it back down to the case to ensure that your watch stays protected against moisture and dirt. Simple, straightforward, and built to last a lifetime, the Rolex Explorer was designed to be a tough and reliable timekeeping companion for those with a life of adventure. For more information on the Rolex Explorer, be sure to check out our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on our latest video content.